and today my topic is DC motor starter. So first of all, what is DC motor starter? DC motor starter is basically for the starting of DC motor. We need starter because in initial time armature current resistance is very low. So because resistance is very low, so it can draw very high current. For that, for protection of that, we need DC motor starter. So without proper starting error, DC motor can experience current 10 to 15 times their normal operating current, leading to equipment damage and safety error. So why DC motor needs starter? So because in initial time armature current is very low. So from the Ohm's law we know that V is V equal to I into R, and current is inversely proportional to the resistance. If resistance is very low, so current will be high. So initial time the current is very high. So to protect very high current, we need starter. So you can see here, this is the motor. This is the motor, and EB denotes the back EMF, which is generated when armature rotates. So this is the IA denotes the armature current, and RA is the armature resistance, and E is the applied voltage across this terminal. So you can see here this equation E equal to EV, because this terminal voltage is E, and the back EMF of this DC motor is EV and IA into RA. So from here you can see that the armature current is inversely proportional to the resistance. So in initial time the resistance approximately 0.5 ohm, which is very low. So if resistance will be very low, so that time current will be very high. So very high current can damage the equipment, can damage the DC motor. So for that we need starter. So what is the consequence of excessive starting current? First is the equipment damage. Because of high current fuse may blow, then armature winding or commutator brushes can be permanently damaged. And second consequences is mechanical stress. Excessive starting torque creates dangerous electronic forces that can damage winding. And third is power system issues. Other connected load experience voltage drops due to high current draw from the circuit. And types of the DC motor starter. There are two types of DC motor starter. First is a 3-point starter, second is a 4-point starter. Now I will see the construction of the 3-point starter and 4-point starter. And this is the diagram of the 3-point starter. The 3-point starter is widely used for shunt and compound DC motor, and its internal wiring is designed to protect the motor from both overcurrent during starting and loss of supply voltage. So now we will see the construction of the 3-point starter. You can see here the resistance is connected in a series, and this is the lever, and this is the spring, and this is the no volt coil, and this is overload release coil. So you can see here the resistance is connected in a series. So when we connect the first resistance, so that time the resistance, equivalent resistance value will be very high, so that current which will go inside the DC motor, that will be very low. And when resistance value will decrease, the current slowly will increase. So that is the main purpose of the DC motor starter. So current slowly should be increased, so that the sudden increase of current should not take place. And here this is no volt coil, and in no volt this is the iron bar is here. So when here electromagnetic current will develop, so when slowly the lever will go to run position, this will stuck, this iron bar will stuck inside this no volt coil, and the current will be drawn from here, that will be high, and here over no reach, and when in the circuit over current will be there, over voltage will be there, so suddenly it will release this mechanism, and it will go to the starting position, and this shunt coil is connected in a series, and from here we supply the DC current. This is the 3-point starter, And the 3-point starter, you can see here the lever is when the over voltage will be here, so this will connect and small circuit will be happen and it will suddenly release this lever and it will come to the starting position and it will cut off the supply of the circuit. So this was all about the 3-point starter. Now we will see the 4-point starter. And the main difference between the 3-point starter and 4-point starter is the connection. You can see in 3-point starter, 3-point denotes this 3 points: L point, F point, and A point. L point is a line supply, F point is a field supply, which is directly goes to the stud coil, and this is a armature supply. This point is called goes to the DC motor, which is called armature supply. So these 3 points, because of these 3 points, this is called 3-point starter. And in 4-point starter, here there are 4 points. One is a low volt coil point, which is connected from the low volt coil from here, and all 3 points are similar to the 3-point starter. And all the functions is exactly similar. Only difference is here. One extra resistance is connected in parallel and one variable resistance is connected in a series with the shunt coil. So this was all about 3-point starter and 4-point starter. Now come to conclusion. DC motor starter are essential safety device that protect motor's electrical system and connected equipment from dangerous starting current. Understanding the difference between 3-point and 4-point starter helps ensure proper selection for the specific application. For reliable motor operation, always choose the appropriate starter type for your motor. Follow manufacturer installation guidelines. Implement regular maintenance schedule. Monitor starter performance for early problem detection. So this was all about DC motor starter. Thank you.